pick you up, yeah. Around 2, yeah. For round 2, yeah. Rendezvous, yeah. She from out of town, you should come see.
Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm finally doing a fashion one. I bought a bunch of goodies from a few different stores for the holidays. You can wear this stuff any time of the year, but I thought they were perfect for New Year's Eve and all the holiday events coming up. Also, don't forget down below, I have my ebook and my website for a bunch of secrets I don't share on my channel. First up are these super sparkly slides I found at Victoria's Secret. They were $36 and they're just adorable for in between your heels or when you just want to walk around the house, run errands, and I'm just obsessed with the glitter. Next up is one of my classier pieces, but it is so stunning, still sexy, beautiful, elegant. I just love it, and it screams holidays and New Year's Eve to me. So you can wear this at a holiday party or on New Year's Eve, but it is a bodysuit with gold, glitter, and lining detail. It looks so expensive with the way that it was created. However, it was only $17 at Agachi. I'll link everything down below. I bought mine in the store. You can also buy it online. This is such a versatile piece. I'd probably pair it with like a ruched skirt just to dress it up, or you can pair it with a leather jacket and some black jeans if you want to dress it down, but there's so many options. Next up is definitely a statement piece. This is a gold snakeskin cropped long sleeve shirt. It's still thin though, so you can wear it pretty much any season, but I love it. I think it's so elegant and expensive looking, but also I believe this was only $22. So cheap, same store. I bought it at the store called Agachi, but you can also get it online. Now, this top I would style with some high-waisted black pants. I think it would look so good, so classy, or you can also dress it even more up with a skirt, and I can just envision it with one of my cute golden black bags. And I would definitely wear this to like a holiday party with the high-waisted pants for like Christmas Eve, or to a fancy dinner with your man. Next up is a piece more on the sexier side, and this is the last piece from the same store. I'm going to go into like Fashion Nova and some other stores as well, but this is another bodysuit. I would not wear this around any family, but I would definitely wear this out to a club or an event with my girls, and it is another bodysuit, only $22, but I really like the bottom because it's super smooth, so you can pair it with just about anything. And of course, it has buttons on the bottom to make it really easy to get in and out of. I would probably pair this with a jacket over my shoulders just so I feel a little more comfortable. But this is definitely an eye catcher and a statement piece. They also had it in silver, and I really like the color contrast. One of the jackets I would style with this top is one from AMI or AMI Clubwear. I'll link everything down below. It's just a gorgeous peachy nude faux fur jacket that goes really good with the rose gold contrast and kind of makes it more of a subtle look, and I'm just obsessed. This is the jacket I wore in my Ariana Grande makeup and hair tutorial. Next up is this super cute loungewear set that I got from AMI Clubwear, and it is adorable for running errands, Christmas morning, just wanting to chill around the holidays. And as much as I love the detailing and the color and the top, unfortunately the bottom just didn't fit me that well. It was way too tight on my booty, and you know, you can't win them all when you shop online. Asking about my history, like why we gotta mention. We don't gotta judge, we can take it as a lesson. Before I jump into my Fashion Nova pieces, if you're still watching right now, comment 4-minute mark down below so I can show you so much love, each and every one of you. You're the real MVPs and I love you. Or you can comment what you're doing for the holidays this year so I can comment back, or just do both. So this top is from Fashion Nova. I bought it in green and in red. It's just a super simple blouse. You tie it around your waist or your stomach and you can wear it so many different ways. I just love the simplicity of it, and you've probably seen it in my Christmas tree decorating video, and I believe this was $22, but check my description because I'm actually gonna write it all out after I look at my receipts. Now, last but not least, I got some clip-in hair extensions. I get the ones from Irresistible Me. I just think they're such a good bang for your buck and they're such good quality. So check my description and click the link to check out the site and all the options. I got the super long ones, 24 inches, because my hair is already so long and I really just wanted something that can add an extra oomph for the holidays, special events, things like that, and it really does make a big difference. So I really like that you can just clip it in and take it out, and it's super undetectable and blends so well with my hair. Alright my loves, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to turn your notifications on by hitting the little bell button and subscribe. I love you so much. Comment below what your plans are for New Year's. Thumbs up the video and I'll see you soon. Mwah.